Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove blank rows in Excel. In previous video, I just show you the basic level, but in this video, I'm going to show you how in advanced level how you can remove the blanks row without losing your data. If you check my previous video, I just show you the basic tutorial, the basic way where you might be lost your data, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can manage your all data and just remove your blank rows. So how this is so let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and comments below. So here we go, we are in Excel and you can see I have the blank data here, blank rows here in this data. And if you have data like this you can see I have data in this cell also, in this cell also, but this row cell I have three empty cell, but I have one I have data in one cell. So if you follow the same step which I follow show you in my previous video, like just go to find and filter, go to the go special and click blanks, the blanks will be highlight. And now you have to go home again and go to delete, and if you click delete on sheet rows, so you can see this data also gone, deleted. So I just undo. If you save this data and you just want to delete only empty space, empty cell or empty space, don't want to delete only empty rows, you want to delete only empty space, okay, like this. So there is a process you have to follow. Just select all sheet, or you can select like this, like click, hold the left button of your mouse and just swap it. Don't select like this, it will be not work. Just select the like column name like ABC. Okay, now you have to go in data and click on filter and apply the filter. Okay, and you can see this data I had just entered. Now you have to click first column and click on arrow, drop down arrow, and just select unselect all and click blanks. So all blank data will become blanks, arrows will become here. And as you can see, the this data also show here in next column. So you have to click here and same process you have to follow. Click on blank and click on OK. So data also filtered now, and only blank cell or blank space you have seen now appear here. So now you have to click first cell, blank cell, and hold it by mouse left key. Just hold it and scroll down and select all empty space and just right click and click on delete rows. So you can see all empty delete rows has been deleted. Remove it from your Excel. So now you have to go again, select the all whole sheet and go to the data and clear the filter. So you can see the data is not deleted, and other empty space or empty rows and cell has been deleted now. So that is how it's advanced formula works. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for